all of you must love to travel. I love traveling too. So today, we will discuss about some travel essentials for your travel bag. So come on, let's find out what are the things we need to carry in our travel bags. First, we should never forget the handbag or wallet. Then we need the passport and tickets. Of course, to carry our luggage, we need suitcases and backpacks. It's also very important to carry a world map and journal. Never forget to carry cash and debit cards. Some other important things that we always need to have in our travel bags are mobile, headphone, adapter, and charger. Also remember to carry binoculars and compass. Don't forget the camera and selfie stick. Two other important things on the list are neck pillow and eye cover for a good night's sleep. Don't forget to carry sunscreen lotion, hairbrush and lip balm to protect your skin, lips and hair. Another extremely important item that we should never forget to carry with us is the toiletry kit. Then of course, there is a first aid box. If you want to know what you need to have in your first aid box, then be sure to check out my video about the first aid kit or the first aid box. You will find a link in the description box for that. Don't forget to carry liquid soap and hand sanitizer. Carry masks and sanitizing spray. Two other important items are water bottle and covered cup. It's always wise to carry some toffees, snacks and energy drinks on your trip. To protect yourself from the sun, it's best to carry a cap or hat and sunglasses. Also, remember to carry an umbrella. The next on our list are undergarments and swimsuits. If you're traveling to a place that experiences cold weather, then be sure to carry sufficient winter garments. Other must-haves are regular garments. Never forget to carry bath towels. Also, it's wise to carry sandals and spare shoes. If you are going out camping, then remember to carry sleeping bags. It's always a good idea to carry rope, safety pins and clips with you. And of course, don't forget to carry lock and key. So those were some of the important items that you need to have in your travel bags. So now pack your bags and let's go. Bye bye for now. See you soon. Join Peanut on many other adventures. Check our other videos. Links are available in the description box below. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.